Use elimination to solve the system of equations. So here we're going to be solving using the elimination method and implementing multiplication. So here's how it's going to work. So we have the system 10x plus 5y equals 30, 5x minus 3y equals negative 7. And we're going to multiply an equation by a constant so that we can get some matching coefficients. The coefficients of x will be opposites if the second equation is multiplied by negative 2. So we're going to take 5x minus 3y equals negative 7, and we're going to multiply the whole thing by negative 2. So then 5x minus 3y gets multiplied by negative 2, and the negative 7 gets multiplied by negative 2. Distributing that negative 2 within the parentheses, we get negative 10x plus 6y equals 14. Now we have opposite coefficients, so we can add our equations together and use the elimination method. The 10s cancel each other out, and we have 5y plus 6y is 11y. 30 plus 14 is 44. Divide both sides by 11, and we get y is equal to 4. So we have one of our variables that we need. So we're going to take that value, and we're going to simplify it into one of the original equations. So we're going to take 5x plus 5y equals 30, and we're going to plug in 4 for y. Then we will simplify, so we'll get 10x plus 20 equals 30. Subtract 20 from both sides, we get 10x equals 10. Divide both sides by 10, and we get x equals 1. So that means that the solution to our system is the point 1, 4. If you were to graph both of those equations, they would cross at the point 1, 4. Would you get the solution 1, 4 if you eliminated the y variable instead of the x variable? If no, explain your reasoning. If yes, explain why the variable was selected for elimination instead of the x variable. Think about that for a second. Put that answer in your notes and have it ready to go for later. Here's your study tip. If the coefficients of a variable are not the same or opposites, and they share a greatest common factor greater than 1, then the variable is the easiest to eliminate using multiplication. For example, the system in this example has two variables, x and y. The coefficients of the y variables are 5 and negative 3, which share no common factor greater than 1. However, the coefficients of the x variable expressions are 10 and 5, which share a common factor of 5. Thus, the x variable requires fewer steps to eliminate. That'll help you with your answer above.